Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Google Pixel 6a. Here are all the contents. Let's go ahead now. Let's peel this off. Ooh, there we go. Now we have our beautiful 6.1-inch display. Let's talk about those rear cameras for just a second. We have one 12.2 megapixel wide camera with a 77-degree field of view, and we have one 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with 114 degrees field of view. And on the front, we have one front-facing camera up at the top. There you go. You can see it in the reflection of the display right now. I wanted to show you the usable storage space out of the 128 gigabytes that the Pixel 6a has. From our storage settings, 12% is used right out of the box. We have 112 gigabytes free. And here's a breakdown of that. So 16 gigabytes used total, 13 for our system, and 3 for our apps right out of the box. So how does the 6a compare to the competition? Let's look at the ranking. So here's the Pixel 6a showing up right here at number 36. And then a little bit further down, we got the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the Google Pixel 6. Again, all showing very similar scores there. Now you're listening to the raw mic audio from the Google Pixel 6a. This is how everything's going to sound if you want to make or take phone calls. This is a full HD plus display at 1080 by 2400. It is OLED, featuring 429 ppi. The biggest thing I feel like a lot of people have covered is the fact that this is only a 60 hertz display. But in my opinion, as somebody coming from the Pixel 5a, 5G, no issues there. Very similar browsing experience at 60 hertz. Now we're going to be sampling a couple of seconds of the song Claim Your Victory by Music Chef. A little bit louder and more powerful than I was expecting. Overall, count me impressed. The next feature is Google Call Screening. I love being able to have right at your fingertips the ability to screen a call and see in real time a transcript of the conversation to know if you should pick up or decline. That feature saves me a ton of time. Google also has the Hold For Me feature, so you can use Google Assistant to keep your spot in line while you're trying to dial into those dreaded customer phone service calls for whatever massive corporation that won't actually get you to somebody on the phone. It is helpful going through those long queue lines and waits to be able to automate some of that process with Google Assistant. Now we're using the back camera right here at 1x, and we're looking at the Pixel family. Let's go to 2x, back to 1x, and then 0.6 to activate the ultra wide. Now we're outside recording some video again from the front facing camera. It's really sunny and bright out. Oh my goodness. 0.6x, 1x, and 2x.